Good morning, everybody. We're doing a regen on a new MCI 694 through 6100. First thing you do, turn off the fast idle. Second thing, put your foot on the regular brake, the service brake, and on and off twice. With your foot still on the brake, take it from neutral to reverse. Neutral to reverse. Do that twice. Continuing with your foot on the service brake, turn the parking brake on and off twice. Exit the vehicle, come down to the last door on the passenger side where you open up the engine door. And there's a button there that says Start Regen. Press it.